And the chairman of the Jamaica Football Federation's Technical Committee, Rudolph Speid, has welcomed the government's announcement that Premier League clubs can now begin training. Ronaldo Brown reports.
374 days after the National Premier League was called off due to Jamaica's first positive case of COVID-19, local government minister Desmond McKenzie announced on Sunday that local clubs can resume training. But while Premier League clubs may have cleared that hurdle, the restart for local football may still be a way off.
Once the Ministry of Health has agreed on the protocols, we will be working with the Jamaica Football Federation and the Premier League Association to ensure that the training is facilitated, and once we are confident that there's an improvement, then we will look at other measures as it relates to football.
And Prime Minister Andrew Holness gave his idea of what training should look like for clubs.
The training is to take place under conditions that we refer to as a bubble. So it is not as if they are training at large. It is in a very controlled set of circumstances, limited to a specific number of players and properly administered.
In the meantime, Rudolph Speid, who is chairman of the Jamaica Football Federation Technical Committee, says baby steps are being taken towards the Premier League.
To be honest, we haven't worked out all the details yet. What they have promised is that the details will be worked out and we'll be able to start training. Now, they didn't say anything about competition. So, but it is a positive first step. I mean, you know what they say about a long journey. They take the first step first. So this is really good news for us, both for the Premier League and the JFF. I hope that in the future, near future, we'll have much better news to give you because, you know, our ultimate goal is to start the Premier League, the only professional sport that is played in Jamaica. It's something that we really would like to get it going.
But with 1 month left before the usual end to the season and permission yet to be given for the start of the competition, will there still be football in the coming months?
In-league does make sense. I mean, whenever it starts, I mean, it makes a lot of sense playing something than playing nothing. So, I mean, remember we're coming to the period where there should be a light at the end of the tunnel that we should be getting the better of the COVID. We're not sure what a league would look like, but maybe get 2-3 months in. It will be good for us, good for our football, and especially if we get in that league before September when the World Cup qualifiers start. Again, that will be good for us. So it's just for us to really sit down and plan out what is the best way forward.
TVJ Sports understands that the PFJL will meet with government officials this week as they look to iron out protocols for the restart of the Premier League. Ronaldo Brown for TVJ Sports.